Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So, if you guys notice that the quality is different, is because I'm using a different camera. I actually got this camera for free, so I'm testing it out. It's called a investigation camera or reinforcement camera. I don't know. It's like one of those weird police cameras, or I don't know. I never actually seen what police use as cameras, but that's what the box said. But anyways, let me show you guys so you guys could see. So as you can see, this is you guys right here. A very teeny tiny camera. So hopefully the quality is good. It's supposed to be good. And hopefully I don't look weird like fisheye or whatever. Yeah, let me know which camera you guys prefer, if this one or the one that I used in my last video. Anyways, right now I just got home from an interview, so I'm kind of excited. We will see what happens. I just wanted to tell you guys. But anyways, today I'm going to be unboxing something that I got for free. I think this is the one that I got for free from BzzAgent, and it is a Morphe product. They sent it to me in the Morphe box. So I'm excited to show you guys what I got. So I will open this up, and I'm also going to be testing out whatever they sent me today. I know I already have eye makeup, but I think this might be something that I could use right now either way. So we will see about that. And I haven't been recording like many videos this week because I've been busy. I've had doctor's appointments, and tomorrow I'm going to get this procedure done. It's a upper endoscopy or something like that. I don't know. They're going to put a camera down my throat for 3 hours or so. They said 3 to 5 hours, so I'm kind of scared. But I'm going to get a biopsy on my throat and my stomach to make sure I don't have cancer or something like that, because I've been having some weird problems and I don't know. So I'm kind of scared for them to find something, and I'm also scared to have a camera down my throat for 3 to 5 hours. But anyways, I already opened up the box. This is what it looks like inside. And it looks like it is the free thing that BzzAgent was going to send me. That's everything. Yeah, that's everything that they sent me in the box. And it looks like they sent it directly from Morphe, because it didn't come with a BzzAgent card. But anyways, I got the Morphe Mixed Signals Dual-Ended Cream Liquid Shadow Stick. This one right here. Hopefully you guys could see the thing. I can't see if you guys could see because the screen's like so tiny. But anyways, I'm going to open it up. They did send me the shade Lover and Fighter. So let's open it up and check it out. Really pretty. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. Look how pretty. It's nice and shimmery. I don't know if you guys can see, but like this is super duper shimmery. Okay, so let's open up this side first. Okay, so this is the shimmer side. I'll swatch it right now. I just want to open the brown side first, the fighter side. I don't know if oh, okay. So this is what it looks like. It looks like it's a metallic brown type of thing. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm going to swatch it on my hand here. Okay, can you guys see that? So it's like a metallic brown type of situation here. I like that it's not like super brown, like super dark brown. And let's see, it does come with a little applicator. So I'm going to swatch it really quick. Doesn't smell like anything. I'm gonna swatch it right next to that. Ooh, look how pretty, you guys. Super shimmery. Wow, that's pretty. I really like that. Can you guys see that? So beautiful and shimmery. Here, I'm going to put it on top of this brown. And let's see. I'm going to rub it in with my fingers. Yeah, wow, this is really, really pretty. It does have like large specks of glitter, but they don't feel thick. It feels really smooth and you can't even feel it actually. And it doesn't come off. So that's pretty cool. Like, look at that. It does not come off. So that's really cool. Okay, I do have a little bit of glitter on my hands, on my fingers. It's hard to tell, but so yeah. Okay, so I'm excited to try this. Let me remove my glasses. I do have like glitter in my inner corner already, so I don't know if I should just put it on top of that or what. I'm going to put some of this brown first on my lid, and I'm just going to rub it with my finger. Okay, I can't tell if I'm putting it on. I think it's the same color as my eyelid. Okay, I literally can't tell if I put it on. Can you guys tell? I'm sorry if the camera's a little slanted. Now I'm going to put some on the other side. It's like really hard to tell if I have it on my eyelid or not. I feel like it looks like the same color as my eyelid. So this is definitely something that you could wear every day if you want like a little bit of shimmer on your eye. Hopefully you guys can see it. Okay, now let's use up the other side. Well, first let me try to blend it in with my finger. Okay, and now I'm going to put a little bit of the glimmers in my inner corner. I don't want to put it on my eyelid because I'm gonna go out later and, or I don't know, who cares, right? Okay, I'll see. I'm going to put a little bit in my inner corner. And yes, I already had a little bit in my inner corner, but I just wanted to see what it would look like if it would make my eye look pop a little bit more. Hopefully you guys can see that. Oh, I got some glitter on my eyelash, my lower lash. I'm applying very lightly because I don't want to have it like super thick of glitter. Look at that. It looks really pretty. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, I might have overdone it on this side. Cool. I really like this, you guys. It's really nice. But I feel like this is like good enough. It's like subtle, like how I put it right now. It's not super like bam in your face. It looks really pretty. I like it. So yeah, I'm really happy that Morphe sent me this, and well, BzzAgent as well. Here is what it looks like in the light. Hopefully you guys could see how pretty it is. I really like the flakes. So yeah, let me know if you guys got this dual-ended cream liquid shadow stick, and what do you guys think about this? Do you guys like it? And have you tried any other color? So yeah, anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.